Welcome to the Python Bootcamp Data Analysis for Beginners. We recorded this video to help you install Python with miniconda, show how to use file system of your computer, how to navigate it with terminal. We also will launch Jupyter notebook from the terminal and start a new notebook. Let's begin. First, we need to create a new folder called PyLadies Amsterdam in your Documents folder. Next step is to open the terminal. There are many ways how to do it. We can do it by using keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl-Alt-T, or Alex terminal. Next, let's move to the PyLadies Amsterdam folder. There is a possibility to use Autocomplete function. To do this, start typing the name of the file of a folder, 1, 2, or 3 letters, and then press the top button on your keyboard. Take into account the fact that this is case sensitive. Next step is to clone GitHub repository. Before doing this, we need to verify whether Git is installed on your machine. We can do it simply by typing if you see the version of the Git, you can have different version than me. But if you see the Git version, it means that Git is installed on your machine and we can proceed further. In case you see something saying bash couldn't find a file or Git doesn't exist, it means that you first need to install Git on your machine. From your shell, it means from your terminal, install Git. You need to type one by one the following commands. This is the first command. It can request your password. Don't forget your password. And then the second command, without dot. It can request your password again. After this, you can type git version to verify what version do you have. Okay, so we have Git installed. We'll continue. Next step is to clone the repository to our local folder, PyLadies Amsterdam. Make sure that you're in this folder. You see the magic? The folder appeared here. Let's get inside of the folder. Now you're ready to install miniconda. We'll talk about installation on Linux. In this case, first we need to download the installer. We'll be working with Python 3.7 version. Oops. We download the installer. Second step is to verify the hash. We need to do this to be sure that we download the full file and that this file will not damage our machine. Let's move to the downloads folder. We can do it the following way. This will return us to our previous folder, PyLadies Amsterdam. This will return us to the folder Documents. And now we want to go to the Downloads folder. You see, I tried to press Stop button. It doesn't work. It means that we are still not yet there. Now we're in Downloads folder. Oops, I forgot to touch the dot button. If you want to get back, just use page up or page down. So we do page up. Okay, now it's verified. The second step is to run it. Press enter to continue. Now it's time to read the license agreement. Yes, we accept the license terms. Now we agree to have miniconda installed here. By the way, here you will see something different. Here it's your username, the name of your computer. Okay, so install done. Of course we want to run conda init. Now the miniconda is installed. What we need to do right now is to close and reopen our current shell. Let's do this. Now test installation. In your terminal window, run the command conda list. A list of installed packages appears if it has been installed correctly. Right. Or we can verify in another way whether miniconda is installed or not. We can do the following. Remember, git version. Next step is to install Jupyter Notebook. Getting started with the classic Jupyter Notebook. ready. Now we can start the Jupyter notebook. But before, let's go back to our folder. And start the Jupyter notebook from here. You see something happened? Now it's time to create a new notebook. You see? Okay, to close it, leave. To stop it, add Ctrl+C. Congratulations!